Categories of topology. The topology of a network is the geometric representation of the relationship of all the links and linking devices to one another. There are four basic topologies possible: mesh, star, bus, and ring. Mesh topology. In a mesh topology, every device has a dedicated point-to-point link to every other device. The term dedicated means the link carries traffic only between the two devices it connects. To find the number of physical links in a fully connected mesh networks with n nodes, we can use the formula n into n minus 1 by 2. For example, if we have 5 nodes, 5 into 4 by 2, 20 by 2, 10 links will be required. Next, star topology. Before going to the star topology, the main drawback of the mesh topology is the amount of cabling and the number of I/O ports required. Because if we have n number of nodes, it requires n into n minus 1 by 2 links. When n increases, the number of links will increase to a large number. In star topology, each device has a dedicated point-to-point link only to a central controller, usually called a hub. The devices are not directly linked to one another. Unlike a mesh topology, a star topology does not allow direct traffic between devices. The controller acts as an exchange. If one device wants to send data to another, it sends the data to the controller, which then relays the data to the other connected device. A star topology is less expensive than mesh topology. In star topology, the number of links required is equal to the number of stations. Next, the bus topology. The bus topology uses multi-point connection. The previous two examples, star topology and mesh topology, uses point-to-point link, whereas the bus topology uses multi-point connection. One long cable acts as a backbone to link all the devices in a network. Nodes are connected to the bus cable by drop lines and taps. A drop line is connection running between the device and the main cable. A tap is a connector that either splits into main cable or punctures the sheathing of a cable to create a contact with metallic core. Advantages of bus topology include ease of installation. The drawback include difficult reconnection and fault isolation. Ring topology. In ring topology, each device has a dedicated point-to-point connection with only the other two devices on either side of it. A signal is passed along the ring in one direction from device to device until it reaches the destination. Each device in the ring incorporates a repeater. When a device receives a signal intended for another device, its repeater regenerates the bits and passes them along. A ring is relatively easy to install and reconfigure. Hybrid topology. A network can be hybrid. For example, we can have a main star topology with each branch connecting several stations in a bus topology, as shown in the figure. categories of networks. We can categorize the networks with respect to the size as local area networks, LANs. A local area network is usually privately owned and links the devices in a single office, building or campus. This is one example for LAN shown in the diagram. The next category of network, wide area network. Wide area network provides long distance transmission of data, image, audio and video information over large geographic areas that may comprise a country, a continent or even the whole world. One of the example is shown in the diagram. The first one is switched WAN, the second one is point-to-point WAN. The third type of network also available called as MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, is a network with size between local area network and wide area network. It normally covers the area inside a town or a city. This is a heterogeneous network made of 4 wide area networks and 2 local area networks.